This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. If you are looking for hassle-free condo living in Chesapeake, this is the home for you. The community amenities include a clubhouse, pool, ground maintenance, trash pickup and more. This condo in the heart of Chesapeake has everything you need with fresh new paint throughout. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances directly next to the open dining area. The dining area opens up to the large living room with access to the balcony. The living room is light and bright and perfect for lazy weekends on the couch. The master bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom and 2 closets. This condo has plenty of storage throughout, including a utility room. This community has everything you need. Come take a look. For more information,